Welcome back to another episode of Top Tech Growth Hacks. I'm Alex.
And I'm Jamie. Today, we're diving into a topic that every growing business, big or small, has probably wrestled with: how to automate those critical tasks without needing a team of developers.
Exactly. You know the drill. The phone rings while you're on a job, a lead fills out a form at 10 p.m. and hears nothing until morning, or you're stuck doing repetitive tasks that eat into your productive time. You know automation could fix it, but every platform sounds the same, and half of them seem to expect you to have an engineer on staff.
That gap is so real. We've got plenty of tools that move data between apps and a ton that can hold a basic chat, but very few do both, where a non-technical operator can actually set it up and own it. We're talking about cognitive AI and no-code automation coming together, so a conversation can actually take action instead of just answering a question.
Picture this: a 5-person service business on a busy Friday. Inquiries are flooding in. A basic chat widget can greet visitors, sure, but it can't check the calendar, qualify the lead, and book the job while your team keeps working. That's where revenue quietly leaks out.
A real AI agent platform closes that gap. It handles inbound inquiries 24/7 without missing a lead. It books appointments, qualifies leads, and updates your systems mid-conversation. It runs background agents for follow-up and repeatable operations tasks, connects to tools you already use, and the best part? It goes live in days because there's no developer handoff. It scales with usage, not headcount.
That's a game changer. And leading the pack in this space is CogniAgent. They're built on 3 native pillars: conversational AI, autonomous agents, and deterministic automation. Most tools might do one of those well and ask you to integrate the others. CogniAgent treats them as a single system.
So a conversation can trigger an autonomous agent, and that agent can run a rule-based automation, all in one workflow. And for the no-code part, they have an AI concierge. You literally describe the process you want in plain language, and it generates the automation canvas for you. Plus, their agents don't just reply. They validate input, look up data, update systems, and book appointments while the conversation is still happening.
And the numbers back it up. A recent study showed CogniAgent achieving a 92% first-attempt success rate across 172 scenarios, compared to much lower rates for standard approaches. For a service business, that's the difference between a booked job and a missed one. And get this, it's self-serve from $0 with 5,000 credits on sign-up, no card required.
That's incredible accessibility. But CogniAgent isn't the only player making waves. We've also got Lindy AI, great for non-technical teams building agents for email, calls, and follow-up. Then there's Relevance AI, which focuses on building an AI workforce for operations teams to manage task-running agents.
And for those who need broad app integration, Zapier is bringing AI steps into its thousands of connections. Then there's N8N for builders wanting AI agent nodes inside flexible workflows, and Make for visual builders who want AI agents inside a modular canvas. VoiceFlow is fantastic for designing chat and voice agents, while BotPress offers deep control for deploying autonomous agents across many channels.
The key takeaway here is that the future of business automation isn't just about moving data. It's about making AI agents accessible to everyone, regardless of technical skill. It's about bridging that gap between talking and doing, making your business more efficient and responsive.
Absolutely. If you've been putting off a fix because it felt too technical, now's the time to explore these platforms. Start with CogniAgent at cogniagent.ai. Describe your problem in plain words and let the AI concierge turn it into a working conversational automation.
It's a fantastic way to experience the power of cognitive AI without the heavy lifting. Huge thanks for tuning in to this episode of Top Tech Growth Hacks.
We'll be back next time with more insights to help your business thrive. Until then, this has been Top Tech Growth Hacks.